The 2025 Dodge Viper marks the roaring return of an American legend, a car built for pure, unfiltered performance. After years of dormancy, Dodge has reignited the fire of its iconic supercar with a completely redesigned model that blends classic Viper aggression with modern technology. The new Viper sticks true to its raw roots but adds a layer of sophistication never seen before in the lineup. Under the long, sculpted hood lies the heart of the beast, an all-new naturally aspirated 8.4-liter V10 engine, delivering a staggering 720 horsepower and 690 pounds-ft of torque. This engine is a love letter to muscle car enthusiasts, bringing back the thunderous roar and visceral driving experience that defined previous generations. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, the 2025 Viper is built for drivers who want to feel every shift, every vibration, and every ounce of adrenaline. Dodge didn't just focus on brute strength. The chassis has been completely re-engineered using lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum components, making the new Viper lighter, stiffer, and sharper than ever. With near-perfect 50/50ths weight distribution and adaptive suspension, this car can carve corners as confidently as it charges down the straightaway. Massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes provide relentless stopping power, giving drivers full control at high speeds. The exterior design is unmistakably Viper, long, low, and wide, with an aggressive front fascia, massive hood vents, and a snake-like stance that oozes intimidation. Aerodynamic enhancements include an active rear wing and sculpted rear diffuser, both designed to increase downforce and stability at track speeds. The LED lighting signature adds a modern touch, while the bold color palette pays homage to classic Viper hues like Viper Red, Snakeskin Green, and GTS Blue. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Viper balances track-focused minimalism with high-end tech and comfort. Premium leather, Alcantara surfaces, and carbon fiber trim create a race-ready environment, but with more refinement than ever before. The driver-centric cockpit includes a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster and a new 10-inch Uconnect touchscreen. With performance telemetry, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Despite its hardcore personality, the new Viper offers driver assistance features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added confidence on the street. What truly sets the 2025 Viper apart is its unapologetic attitude in a world of increasingly sanitized sports cars. It's loud, it's powerful, and it demands respect. Dodge is not chasing lap times alone. They're reviving an icon that's built around the thrill of driving. The new Viper is expected to be a limited production model, making it an instant collectible among enthusiasts and a serious rival to supercars from Europe and Japan. In markets shifting toward electric and hybrid powertrains, the return of the Dodge Viper stands as a bold statement. Raw horsepower, unfiltered noise, and driver engagement still have a place on the road. The 2025 Viper isn't just a car, it's a rebellion on wheels.